Hello, we are going to Unit 3, Quadratic Part 1. Lesson 1, Distributive Property, Binomial Expansion. The distributive property is a rule for multiplication that allows us to write both numerical and algebraic expression in different but equivalent form. So I'll go with example. First question, you have 2 and 2 is outside the bracket. It means that you need to multiply 2 by any term inside the bracket. So 2 multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2x plus 2. Example C. We have brackets here and for here for outside. This is exactly means that 4 multiplied by 2x2 plus 3x. We don't need to write multiplication because we have bracket, but it's the same. So the answer is 2 multiplied by first term and 4 multiplied by first term and 4 multiplied by second term. We know that terms separated by plus sign or minus sign. We have plus and each of them are separate. So the answer is 8x2 plus 12x. For this one, F and this is another term. As you can see, terms separated by plus or minus. It's going to be equal to 2 times 8x2 is 16x2 minus 8x plus 2. 2 times 1 is 2. When you multiply here, 2 multiplied by only coefficient. Coefficient is a number beside your variable, multiplied by your variable. And this is question A. Let's go calculate number D. Three x times 2x and 3x times 7. And then we have second term 4 times negative 4 times 2x and negative 4 times 7. So 3x times 2x is 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x to the power of 2. 3x times 7, 3 times 7 is 21. 21x. and third term, negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. And here we have x and x here. These two are same. See, it's like an apple. 21 apple minus 8 apple. So it's going to be, the final answer going to be 6x2 plus 13x minus 28. So here it says like steps. You can multiply the first term in each bracket together, multiply the other terms in each bracket together, and you can use this way. Let's go and do the number C, example 3C. Okay, let's go get rid of the brackets first, or calculate two brackets and step by step get rid of the brackets. Okay, let me make the other part smaller. So it's not on your way. Okay. First, multiply x by x and x by 3. And then multiply negative 2 by x and negative 2 by 3. So the answer is going to be, we have a 5, we didn't do anything with 5 yet, and one big bracket, and inside the bracket we have, I go with blue first, x times x is x to the power of 2. We know that x times x equal to x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1 equal to x to the power of 1 plus 1 equal to x to the power of 2. And here, x times 3 means 3x. And negative 2 times x, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And now we can close the bracket. Here we have 3x and 2x. They both are x. So 3 apple minus 2 apple is 1 apple. So the final answer going to be 5x2 plus x minus 6. And now you can multiply 5 inside the bracket. Multiply by each term. 5 times x2 is 5x2 plus 5x. 5 times 6 is negative 30. This is your answer. Okay. For this one, you cannot do anything with plus right now because according to BEDMAS, brackets first, exponents, we have exponents here, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. First step, I'm going to multiply 2x by this and 2x here, negative 3 by x, negative 3 by positive 4. For the second part, I cannot get rid of this yet. I have to do this part first. So two x times x is 2x2 plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 plus this plus is same. See, this plus is same as this one. If you want, you can put the brackets too if you want it. Right now, because all of them are plus and minus, you can get rid of the bracket, but if you mix up, put the bracket. And second part is x minus 1 to the power of 2. X minus 1 to the power of 2 equal to x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 equal to, again, same technique, expand it, x times x times negative 1, negative 1 times x, negative 1 times negative 1. It is going to be x2 minus x plus 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. And these two are same, so it's going to be x2 minus 2x plus 1. Okay. So here, instead of x minus 1 to the power of 2, you can write down x2 minus 2x plus 1. If you want, you can put bracket. Now, because between we have only plus and minus, we don't have any multiplication. So these brackets are extra. You can just get rid of them. It's equal to, don't forget, equal to 2x2 plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 plus x2 minus 2x plus 1. Let's put like terms together. 2x2, we have 1x2 here and x2 here, so they are together. 8x and negative 3x and negative 2x are same, and negative 12 and plus 1 are same. So let's go calculate it. It's going to be 2x2, okay. 2x2 plus x2 is 3x2. 8x minus 3x plus 2 is 6 plus x2 plus negative. So here I can write it together. 8x minus 3x minus 2x is plus 3x. And negative 12 plus 1 is negative 11. That's it. This is your final answer. Same rule here, because you have negative between, you have negative sign between, you can not calculate it right now. First, according to bed math, get rid of the bracket, for expand this and then expand this and then add or subtract. Good luck.